here, so I wanted to say thank you first of all. Okay, you guys are too close. Personal space, ladies, personal space. All right, welcome. Thank you for being here today. Seriously, I really appreciate everyone and your support. A couple of thank yous. I do want to say thank you, first of all, to all the volunteers. I know I'm the face of the race, but all the volunteers are what make it happen. So I couldn't be more appreciative of their time. I mean, they're here supporting all of us on the first sunny day in like 1,000 years. Also, I'd like to thank the Dunstable Conservation Commission and the Dunstable Rural Land Trust. Oh, you can applaud. And then, yeah, so, and of course the Humane Society. I'm going to give the mic to Jen in just a minute to say a couple words. Other than that, I think we are going to have a donation box out. If you want to drop a few bucks for the Humane Society, always welcome. If you'd like to give 10,000 or more, we'd like to take you to lunch. Jen, do you want to say a few words?
Good morning, everybody. I just want to say thank you so much for being here. This looks like a wonderful group of people. I see a lot of smiles. It's a great day. We finally have good weather. This project that our organization is embarking on is incredibly important to our community, to the Greater Nashua community, and for the people we serve. So you all coming out this morning so early and running a lot of miles. I walked the course yesterday with Rob, and I don't really like the hill that you guys are gonna run, but I don't have to run it, I just have to walk it. So thank you very much. This means a lot, and I hope everybody has a great run and has some fun. So thank you.
All right, it's a relatively small group. I think I talked a lot, so, but if I didn't cover anything and anyone has a question, feel free to ask it. Otherwise, we'll start the race in about 4 minutes.